on, boy. Hey. Yeah, they did cool. There we go. You're right, man. Practicing for my burnout. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today we just want to give y'all a good smooth update on the cat. If it's your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Alright, so man, y'all see she's still looking all good, nice and purty. Even though she is pretty dirty right now, she does look pretty good. Ooh, what is that? Austin? What's this? Oh, this is that tape at the bottom. Yeah, I gotta get that fixed, or at least cut off. Basically, I think that's the tape at the bottom. Make sure it doesn't peel on the edges. You know, the edges are the most edges. The edges are the most edges. The edges are the most places that get the most road dirt and grime and grease. So you take some down with some real adhesive, so I can go back to the wrap shop and get that touched up. Looking pretty smooth, man. We looking good still. Do need to get this curb rash fixed, man. That shit's gotta go. And I know I've talked about it before. I don't know if I want to do the white wheel and black wheel. I don't know, I might just leave it alone, honestly, and just get these powder coated gloss black, because they're not gloss. If you look again, that shit is dirty as hell. Goddamn, that shit's dirty. Good update on the cat. We do got 2 issues that I went to Dodge, and the part is actually on the way here. So I got to get 2 new strut mounts. My strut mounts are being a little noisy when I cut the wheel all the way to the right or the left. Getting that situated, waiting on the parts to come in from Dodge. Other than that, man, she's driving like a dream, driving like a champ. No issues whatsoever. She's been doing me justice, holding her down, you know. Hey, we do got tires, man. We need some tires badly. Oh, look at this. We're gonna get on the ground, look at this. We're gonna get down here so y'all can see this badness. Woo! Do y'all not see that, man? That go bald. Them go bald. Them go bald. What's funny like though? If you look at my tire from right here, it looks like I got plenty meat, bro. No homo. But you look over here, boy, it's even worse. Hold on, let me get over there. Whoo! Hold on, the sun is in the way. God, dog, I know y'all see that, boy. Boy, that shit looks atrocious. That shit looks so atrocious. God, dog. But never fear, the tire man is here. We got the new meats. Woo, them thickums. Now I know you're thinking. You see full weight right here. I will tell y'all this, they go with a cheaper brand. Oh, Hellcat might not hook, it might not do this, and this, that, and the third. Bro, I got a 650 horsepower car. Motherfucker not gonna hook no way. Motherfucker don't hook with these nittos, bro. Motherfucker don't hook with these nittos. So I didn't feel like paying the price of nittos. Not gonna cap you down. Knockout 360 did a review on these tires. He said they're pretty good, pretty decent. And to be honest, bro, I ain't even been driving my car all willy-dilly crazy anyway. I don't have to pull up doing all the burnouts and sliding. I ain't gotta do none of that shit. Put some money to a mod that I want to do. Speaking of which, I want to see what y'all thought about this. I want to put the I want to make this light up. I got to make this eyeball light up. I think that'll be a smooth looking mod. And also I want to get the underglows under here, man. I want to get the underglows to go under the car. I think that'll be another smooth upgrade. My first car show I went to and took my car to, I lost to a car with lights. Car was plain bone stock, wide body. Well, I was gonna get to that too as well. Wide body, underglows, and rim lights, and I lost. But my wrap was like the toughest wrap there, but I got nothing. I didn't get no honorable mention. I didn't get shit. Man, I felt some type of way. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap you now. I felt some type of way. I've been driving it. I just got back to the house anyway, so I ain't gonna give y'all a little. Sadly, it is gonna cut off though. is car cuts off just for the simple fact of I have a check engine light, and that code is coming from a temperature issue. Not necessarily an issue my car thinks is an issue, because I put a thermostat on my car cooler at 160 or 170. Thermostat is opening up quicker, so my car thinks something is wrong because it's at the wrong temperature at the wrong times, and the fans are off track. So my car is really confused as fuck at this point. It's confused. So I'm looking at getting the car just with a basic tune, upper pulley, lower pulley. So that would lead me to go back to y'all with these. I got these monstrous tires over here chilling. The Bravado Tribute with the Mickey Thompson. I haven't touched these yet. I honestly don't know why I haven't put them on. Well, I do know. When I first got them, I snapped my drive shaft. I also need different bolts to fit on the car. Not gonna fit with the stock lug nuts, so I didn't feel like going to get no lug nuts. Really ain't gave a damn, because I'm really not finna go to the drag strip, and there's nowhere in my city to just put down 650 horsepower without worrying about getting caught by 12 or worrying about speeding past somebody and thinks I'm endangering somebody's life. There's just nowhere to do it. If anybody want these, make a comment, bro. Give me an offer. I don't need these. I don't even know why I bought them in the first place. You just don't understand when you buy shit for no reason. That was one of them purchases. Very upright dumb of me just to go buy some Mickey Thompson's, some race and drag radios, knowing I wasn't finna use them bitches. Man, y'all look at this ankle biter, man. My neighbor dog always barking like he's finna do something, bro. You gonna mess with me today, bro? You gonna be nice today, bro? You gonna be nice? Oh. You gonna be nice today, bro? You gonna be nice today, bro? Oh. I got something for your ass. Let's see how you like this, my boy. Let's see how you like this, my boy. Back your ass up, boy. Back your ass up. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna go ahead and burn the rest of these tires. I'll go ahead and cook them, send them to hell with this last little burnout too. I'm gonna sit y'all up on the tripod, and then y'all gonna have the camera for the inside, and we're also gonna have the Insta 360 going right here, so y'all gonna see it from about 3 different angles. I think having these for 6 months is pretty good for a Hellcat. You know, I don't do too many burnouts. I've done some here and there. I don't just be wilding out like some of these other Hellcat drivers. I really just be chilling, bro. I'm finna go ahead and load up these other tires in the car and then go ahead and do this burnout, get them changed over. Some big ass meat right here, man. No homo. I think I'm probably gonna have to cut these because I don't think they're gonna fit in my car smack together. All right, y'all, surprisingly, both tires actually fit in the back seat of my car. Both of them fit in the back seat of my car. Y'all can see we got them back here. Man, I'm actually surprised that they both went back there. Like, I really thought I was gonna put one in the trunk, but I decided to try it because I had my Insta 360 hooked up with the pole, no homo, and I didn't wanna have to move the pole again just to get that tire in the trunk and then move it again and move it again. I'm like, man, I'm just gonna fit both of these inside of the car. Yo, let me tell y'all what's going on, man. So, did my burnouts, did everything I was gonna do, you know, go ahead and rip these tires to shreds, and I get to the top shop, they're closed. Now I got tires balder than ever. And I'm supposed to go to Caffeine Octane in the morning. Whew, I don't know now. Mike can't go nowhere till Monday. You know what, YOLO, we're still gonna go. As soon as I can make it to the tire shop, whether that be tomorrow, after Caffeine Octane, that's when I'm gonna pick the camera back up. Alright, y'all, it is Monday, and sadly I did not get to go to Caffeine Octane yesterday because it was raining cats and dogs, and I didn't want a chance about trying to drive on some slick ball tires all the way up there to Atlanta just wasn't gonna be a safe idea. So we're about to get ready to head to the tire shop now to get everything changed over and get these new tires put on so I can stop sliding around like I'm on a slip and slide with baby oil on it, man. I think that was a little overboard. We're also gonna be getting an oil change today too as well. Might as well, man. We're just doing a lot of maintenance stuff for the cat. Might as well go and get that switched out because I think my oil is on 0%. Yeah, I know I ain't gonna say I ain't taking care of the car, but I have been like being bad on maintenance. I know it's time for brakes too as well. Still need to go get that part from Dodge. Hadn't went by there yet. I just need to tighten up, man. But when we get to the tire shop, I'll pick the camera back up. Okay, then I done cooked these. I think I had one more burnout left. Oh, this one over with. Change that. We're gonna rotate these over there and put this one over here. I think these probably got like 2 more months left. Then I can set that up. Oh my God. Yeah, they been cooked. Yeah, I cooked this bit. Damn. Cooked this whole. Yeah, they been over with. And I really was thinking about doing a whole another burnout. That might would have popped on my ass. No cap. If that one down there ain't no better. That one down there ain't no better. Get me right, boss. No. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Get it in there. There we go. Oh, that look better. Got a new meat back there, my boy.
One more. 1 month more.
Yeah. Been a little thicky fuck. Thicky. Boy, got the Arm & Hammer, boy. Hey. Go Arm & Hammer on them folks, man. Alright, so y'all see my tires, man. They horrible, right? The lady looked at him. The lady was like, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. But then again, it's a Hellcat. And I burnt the rest of them bitches off yesterday on purpose. But she did conclude by saying, be safe out there. And I'm like, alright, cool, thank you, appreciate it. But I burned them bitches off on purpose. I already knew they were bad, you know? Yeah, it is what it is, man. No wobble. No wobble. Practicing for my burnout. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure y'all know this detail right here. Some of y'all still don't ever see that detail. Okay, girl power. Okay. Alright. I see you. Sitting, boy. Gotta look at it from this profile right here. Look pretty good right there, sticking up. So mission accomplished. We got the tires put on. Car rides a lot smoother. I still gotta get 2 front 2 tires now to come to find out. To look at them, they're trash. Go ahead and get 2 new front tires ordered and get the car aligned so I can feel more on balance. Back end feel good now, man. I actually did a pull just a second ago, down pretty well. So shout out to my boy Knockout 360 for the recommendation on the tires. Hope y'all guys really have enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.